Hi boys and girls, so this is going to be a quick tutorial on how you're going to annotate. When I am sharing my screen, this is in Zoom, you are going to look for this. It has a pencil and it says Annotate. When I share my screen with you, you are going to see this bar at the top. It's going to say you are viewing Miss V's screen in green. Next to it, you see View Options with a little arrow. You click on it and you go down to the word Annotate. You'll click it and then you'll get all of these options. So you can either put text and type, or you can draw. You can choose, let's say you want to draw a square, and then you want to change the color of the square. Let's make it pink. Okay, or you can do a stamp. Whenever you want to change whatever you're using, you can change the color here. Let's put some hearts. Okay, so that is the Annotate tool. And that is what you're going to use in our lessons.